Hello, friends! Today we are reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, a new product that promises to raise the bar for wireless headphones to a whole new level. Let's figure out what makes them so special. Let's start with the design. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro retain the elegant minimalism that fans of the line have come to love, but with important improvements. The case has become even more compact and lightweight, which makes them comfortable even for long-term wear. The new shape provides a secure fit in the ear, and 3 sizes of ear pads included allow you to adjust the headphones to suit yourself. The matte material of the case prevents fingerprints, and IP57 water protection allows you to use them even in the gym or in the rain. The main thing in headphones is, of course, the sound. Here, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro really surprise. The next-generation dynamic drivers provide deeper bass, clear mids, and crystal clear highs. 360 audio technology creates surround sound, as if you were in the center of the music scene. Adaptive active noise cancellation automatically adjusts to the level of surrounding noise, making them ideal for traveling or working in a noisy environment. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are not just headphones, but a real gadget with artificial intelligence. Transparency mode allows you to hear the world around you without removing your headphones, ideal for chatting or walking around the city. Automatic switching between devices in the Samsung ecosystem makes using headphones even more convenient. The new voice detect feature automatically turns on transparency mode as soon as you start talking. Battery and charging battery life is also impressive. Up to 6 hours of playback on a single charge with ANC off and up to 5 hours with it on. The charging case increases the total battery life to 30 hours. Fast charging support allows you to get up to 1 hour of listening in just 5 minutes. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro are based on Bluetooth 5.4, which provides low latency for gaming and video. Compatible not only with Samsung devices, but also with Android, iOS, and Windows. Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is a combination of premium sound, advanced technology, and convenience. If you are looking for headphones for everyday use, work, or sports, they are definitely worth your attention. How do you like the new product? Write in the comments whether you are ready to try Galaxy Buds 3 Pro or you already have your favorite headphones. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new reviews. See you in the next videos.